overhead doors, call Wallace and Wallace. Fences and more installed, just call us 452-2700.
Hi, this is David Nightingale, construction supervisor from Wallace and Wallace. Did you know that studies show that replacing your garage door delivers the best return on investment of any home improvement project? Why? A garage door can account for as much as 30% of your home's frontage, so a new door will elevate your home's curb appeal and increase its value. But what should you look for when it comes time to replace it? Here are 8 things you should look for when shopping for a new garage door, as well as some important points to ensure you're comparing apples to apples. First off, materials. Quality starts with the gauge or thickness of the steel used in your door. When comparing doors, start here. For example, our doors are 24 gauge steel versus the thinner 26 or 27 gauge that are carried by the big box stores and many others. So remember, when you're comparing quotes, a higher gauge number means thinner steel. The difference matters for strength, durability, and longevity. Number 2, panel construction. Really important. The tongue and groove design is standard on all of our doors, which delivers a tighter, stronger fit than the shiplap configuration you find in other door brands. Tongue and groove provides a superior thermal break, which saves you in energy costs. And if you're the do-it-yourself type, look for pre-drilled holes, which will make installation a whole lot easier. Number 3, R-value. Choosing the right R-value insulation is important because the garage door, as the largest entrance to your home, makes your garage one of the biggest problem areas for heat loss. When comparing quotes, make sure the doors have the same R-value. Doors with a higher R-value may cost more initially, but you'll save on heating costs over the lifetime of the door. When choosing your door's R-value, consider your garage's existing insulation. We have a wide selection of R-values to match your existing garage's insulation, as well as an industry-leading R20.4 insulation option, which delivers 4-season comfort through our Manitoba winters. Number 4, the operator, aka the garage door motor. Your options here include a chain drive, which is louder and less expensive, and a belt drive, which is quieter, sleeker, and includes an internal camera. All our operators come standard with wireless connectivity, so you can open, close, and check on your door using your smartphone whenever and wherever you want. And if you need to free up ceiling space, side mount belt drive operators may also be an option, depending on your garage's configuration. Hardware is an overlooked but critical part of your garage door's construction. Money saved on rollers and hinges will end up costing you more in repairs and replacement down the line. Upgraded heavy-duty ball bearing rollers and upgraded 14-gauge hinges come standard at no additional cost on all of our doors. Number 5, track selection. One of the most overlooked aspects of buying a new garage door is choosing the appropriate track. While the standard radius is the most common residential garage door track, your garage might be able to take advantage of track options that will provide you with more vertical headroom, so you can create more space for things like extra storage, car lifts, and the like. Number 6, selection. While build quality reduces the lifetime cost of ownership, selection matters most when it comes to curb appeal. More than any other feature, your choice of style will define the character of your home. Of course, every dealer will say that they have a wide range of styles and colors, but the reality is that often styles are limited to 3 or 4 color choices. We offer the widest selection of doors in the province with up to 26 color options per door style, so be sure to shop around for not only a fair price, but also to ensure you're not compromising on the perfect overhead door for your home. 7. Installation experience and reputation matter. While you can install a garage door on your own, a professional installer will save you time and likely money in the long run. Choose an installer that offers both a warranty on the door as well as the installation. At Wallace & Wallace, all our doors come with a 5-year warranty on construction and materials, as well as a 1-year warranty on installation, giving you peace of mind knowing your door will be installed right. And finally, expertise. When it comes to installation, nobody likes surprises. Make sure your quote covers all the bases. A thorough quote should not only include all the special features you've selected, but also account for things like an unlevel concrete pad, garage construction, wiring upgrades, and other quirks that only an on-site visit will uncover. Not sure where to start? We carry Clopay, North America's largest garage door manufacturer. We have the widest selection of residential overhead garage doors in the province. Our friendly service team will help you select from dozens of styles, designs, finishes, windows, insulation, material, and colors to find the perfect fit for your home at a price that will pleasantly surprise you, and an installation date that will get you cleaning your garage way earlier than you planned. When it comes to overhead garage doors, there's only one name, or two, you need to know Wallace & Wallace.